All right, I'm going to talk real briefly about what just happened in Arizona, and then I'm going to talk about what we're going to do, because I think we all know what the problem is. We got to talk about how we're going to solve it. So the Arizona Supreme Court just decided that they are going to allow a law to go into effect, a law that was passed in 1864 during the Civil War. Arizona wasn't even a state yet, and women didn't have the vote. They're going to let this law go into effect after a 14-day stay. And this law will outlaw all abortions after 6 weeks, even in cases of rape or incest. It claims that there are exceptions for the life of the mother, but we know now from 2 years of brutal experience that in states that have such exceptions, they are almost never allowed. Virtually never. So this is a full abortion ban. Now, we are going to be saved slightly by the fact that in Arizona, we have a Democratic Attorney General. Her name is Kris Mayes, an elected official, by the way, who won her election by 280 votes. Because Kris Mayes is in office, she's not going to prosecute people under this law. And so that will make Arizonans largely safe from it, but it is a real warning flare of what we are dealing with, as if we haven't had enough of them. This is our future under the Republican Party. Period. Full stop. This is our future under Donald Trump, who said just yesterday that he's fine with anything the states do on abortion. So we need to really now get out of our anger and our grief and our fear, although those are valid and we can feel them, and get into action. The thing I want you to remember, and this is, I'm putting on my organizer hat now, is that we can beat these people. All of the sort of narrative that we can't is designed to make you cynical and apathetic and to give up and go, it's too much, I can't. Yeah, you can. Yes, we can, and we must. It is vitally important for the lives of people that you and I love, and maybe even for our own lives, that we get to work winning in November in every single seat, in every single race across the country. This means talking to your friends about why a third-party vote will hand the election to Trump, who will then ban abortion across the country. It means talking to your friends about why it's not enough to just vote top a ticket and then leave the rest blank, or vice versa. It means talking to people who say elections don't affect me and explaining to them that elections are about to put the lives in danger of millions of people in states across the country. This is our future if we don't vote. This is our national future, not just Arizona. The good news is if we do vote, that doesn't have to be our future anywhere anymore. We can fight this, and we must. It is time to remember our power, feel our rage, and channel it into action. And if we do that, we cannot fail. I hope you're with me.